Let
Good day! Today we're about to discuss our risk management plan for our Chatme Day. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first. I am Jogley P. Camillo.
I am Chris Roland Caro Partento.
I am Henrik Reyes Ponce.
I am Martin Del Peo.
Let's start with the event review. Chatme Day includes physical activities such as basketball, volleyball, and tug of war. This plan outlines key risk and control measures to maintain a safe environment. Risk management identification. Basketball. Sprains, fall, collisions, dehydrations. For volleyball, finger injuries, fall, muscle strains. For tug of war, rope burns, back strain, falls. General area, heat exhaustion, minor accidents.
For risk control measures, general controls are on-site first aid and medical supplies, hydration stations and rest areas, mandatory warm-up before games, safety reminders and instructions, marshals assigned to monitor activities. Activity-specific controls, basketball, dry court, proper footwear, and referees. For volleyball, clear ground, no geometry, safe spacing. For tug of war, safe rope, gloves, flat surface.
For the emergency procedures, first aider will assess injuries. Serious cases sent to the nearest medical facility. Evacuation for weather or facility hazards. Organizers communicate via mobile or radios. Role of responsibilities. Event coordinator, overall supervision. Safety officer, inspections and risk management. Medical team, first aid response. Marshals, supervisions and crowd control. Team leaders, ensuring compliance.
Additional incident record. A slow earthquake was experienced at the end of the event. No injuries were reported. Participants were guided to remain calm, avoid unstable structures, and wait in designated open areas until organizers confirm that it was safe to disappear. Conclusion. This plan ensures a safe, organized, and well-managed Chatme Day event, including proper handling of unexpected incidents such as seismic activity.